welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be having a look at some lovely cat's eye gels that Born Pretty has kindly sent over to me. So we have 6 colours, so I've already popped them on the swatch stick. That's the one that I have on my left hand, and we're just going to go through and have a look to see which colours we can use for galaxy themed nail. So I've already painted my right hand with Born Pretty's black as a base coat. Originally I was going to use these 4 colours, but I ended up just using 3 of them. You can't forget the trusty magnet. And we're going to get started. So first of all, we're going to use this blue. We're going to do a nice even coat. And then we're going to get the magnet just to pull the pigment to where we want it to be. So we're going for sort of more of a diagonal line in the middle. So once we're happy with that, we pop that into the lamp for a 30-second cure, and then we're just going to go over with a second coat doing the same. We're then going to get the second colour, so this one is a lovely green, and then we're going to go in on either side and do the same process, covering the nail and then using the magnet. We're going to draw that into the middle, so then we've got sort of a bit of a fade. Just adding a little bit more as we've missed a part. That goes in the lamp for a 60-second cure, and then we're going to come in with the final colour here, just along the edges, to have that nice ombre effect. Then we've got some little nail gems. So we've got a little star and some moons. And then we're just going to pop them on the nail. It's a bit slippery, so I just wanted to place it to see where it would look nice. We ended up with just going for the one. I'm going to use some top coat. And then we're going to pop that one on. And that's going to go into the lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're going to use this white liner just to pop in some little dots and draw some nice little stars. Didn't like that one, so took that one off. And then we went for just some little dots placed over the nail. Pop that into the lamp for 60 seconds. And we'll do the same to the other 4 nails. So now we're going to pop some moons and some stars onto the nail just to finish off this design. So there we have this set finished. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, give this video a like and pop a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!